everyone, Paul Akers. I want to go over our fantastic glue line called 2P-10. What is 2P-10? It's a professional industrial cyanoacrylate, super glue. It means 2-part, 10 seconds. You put the glue on one side, put the activator on the other side, you put it together, align it, and in 10 seconds it's set, 30 seconds, 4,000 PSI. It's amazing. I'll demo it real quick just to show you. So you put the glue on there like this. There's the glue, just like that, very thick. This is the thick, the gel's even thicker than that. Then you take the activator, you spray a little activator on the edge that you're gonna glue up. I'll do a right angle here, and watch what happens here. So I like to just smear it around just a little bit, and you'll get used to it as you use it to see what works the best. Push down, 10 seconds, set, 30 seconds bonded, 4,000 PSI, done. Look at that. So now we're totally ready to go. You can let go, you can work your product, and then in 30 seconds, it's gonna be 4,000 PSI. It's absolutely an amazing product. Now I'm gonna let Lucas do an overview of the entire product line so you understand all the different offerings we have.
Hi, I'm Lucas with FastCap. I'm gonna go over all the different options we have available for 2P-10. So I'm gonna start here with our 2P-10 kit. 2P-10 kit, first of all, comes with this awesome little carrying case. Keep everything together, nice little kit to grab and bring anywhere you need to go. And in it, we have a 2.25 ounce bottle of each of our standard thicknesses. So there's thin, that's great for filling in tiny little cracks you want to wick down in something well. Medium, that's about the same viscosity as milk. Thick is my favorite, use it on pretty much everything. And then the gel it's really jelly. So you get one of each of those. You also get a 2-ounce activator with a pump handle here for it, and a 2-ounce debonder. The debonder comes with 2 little application brushes. And then you get 5 of our little micro tips here. These are great for super fine precision work. And if you need more micro tips or more of anything in here, we sell them all separately. So micro tips come in a 25-piece pack there. We have replacement lids for the 2-ounce bottles, and you can even get a replacement of just the pin caps if you need. Then moving on, we also have a 2P-10 Easy Squeeze here. Now with the gel especially, when you get down to the bottom of this 2-ounce bottle, the bottle can be really hard. It's hard to squeeze and get everything out of there. So you're not wasting any glue. We got this Easy Squeeze here, so you pop that in there. You got 2 nodes here, 2 nice long levers, give it a squeeze there. You'll get every last drop of glue out of that bottle. For activator options, the 2-ounce one is a pump handle mechanism. We also have the aerosol in our 12-ounce bottle. That's the most popular there. The 12-ounce bottle aerosol, you can also get what we call a 2P-10 solo kit, and that comes with a 2 ounce of the thick being our most popular glue. That's just to try it out and figure out that you need to buy a bunch more 2P-10. And then we of course have replacement bottles of any of those 2-ounce bottles, but if you use it up, you'll probably realize that you need even more. So we have them in a 10-ounce size as well. The 10-ounce size comes in all our standard thicknesses, thin, medium, thick, and gel. And then the thick and the gel also have an RT option. So the RT option is about 10% stronger, not always necessary, but CA glues are a fairly brittle glue. And so if you have a situation with a lot of vibration, like Air Force One, who's actually used our RT glue here, you might use the RT, which has little rubber particulate in it, and it gives it a little bit better resistance to vibrations. Then we also have a 2P-10 Caddy here. 2P-10 Caddy holds your 12-ounce activator and whichever 10-ounce glue you happen to want to be using. Has a nice little belt clip on the back, has spots to clip in all the pieces off your X-tip there. I'll show you that in a second. And it can clip on your pants, clip on your work van, and if you're using the gel and you want it to always be charged, ready to go, it's actually got a little pin down in here, so you can put your X-tip upside down on that pin, and have it just ready to go the minute you pull it out. None of that shaking motion. Now all our 10-ounce bottles come with our proprietary X-tip on it. The X-tip is Roman numeral X for 10, because you can cut this down 10 times once it's clogged and just keep on using it. It also comes with a little pin cap here that you can pull off to stop it from clogging, and it comes with 2 little micro tips. And all these accessories actually push right onto these little pins you see here, so you can use them, take them off, reuse them all you want. We sell replacement X-tips if you need another one, and if you don't like the X-tip, we also sell a 3-pack of standard 10-ounce lids that come with pin caps in them here, so you can take the X-tip off and use the standard lid if you want. The last thing we have available in glues is the gel in a tube. So this is for your caulking gun, for anyone doing big jobs. This will take care of it, go all day long with that. And then we have a 2P-10 coloring kit. So the coloring kit comes with 6 colors. They work best mixed with gel, so you'll get a 2-ounce gel with it, and then you get Post-it notes and popsicle sticks to do your mixing on. And with these colorants, you can fill tile, fill wood holes, get any color you want. Probably want to experiment with it a little bit on a scrap piece of wood before you go do your fill. You can fill anything in, perfect color match, sand it down. You'll never even know it happened. It's great in hardwood floors too, where a soft wax is just gonna wear out of there. This CA glue, it'll last forever. And this joint, we glued this a minute ago. It's strong, let me tell you. It doesn't go anywhere. This stuff's amazing. 2P-10, available from FastCap, distributors around the world. Get yours today, you'll never want another glue.